Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today, we're going to take a look at a 2026 Brinkley Model G, model number 4155. It's got front bunks with a bedroom right behind it and a toilet space that's gorgeous. Weighs 19,400 pounds, wicked unit. I'm here with my friend, that Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today. Brendan?
What's going on, happy campers, future campers, and fellow salespeople? Thank you so much for tuning into your favorite RV YouTube channel in the world. We're fired up here we're in Indiana at the dealer open house, getting to see this new stuff, and we're excited. There's some new features going on with this stuff. We might not hit every single one. We'll do our best. If you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, checking us out on all the social medias, we'd appreciate it.
Beautiful front fiberglass cap, Brendan.
Unreal.
It doesn't get more aggressive than that. Just mean looking. We do have the lights here built into this fiberglass cap, and you can set these up so that they'll operate on your turning lights. So when you flip left signal, this light will pop on. We got the Gen Y pin box here at the front. You can do the optional Gen Y gooseneck. Here at the front, we have our storage here. We're going to take a look at this at the other side, but those pieces will actually fold up and you can get right into your pass-through storage. We have a new Victron solar system on this model with a 3,000 watt inverter, a 30 amp charge controller and a 50 amp charge controller in through there. Main disconnect, solar disconnect, and we still got that beautiful flex fuel generator over there to your right, hydraulic reservoir over here to your left. This one's got the disc brake option, so the reservoir for that is there. And then we have the lithium batteries by Rich Solar in there as well. That is a standard feature on these Gs. We have 30-pounder paint tanks on either side, space to do 40-pounders, a beautiful pass-through storage here with an additional one over here to the right. And then look at this. This is going to lift up. We got that storage. We have kind of like a bat wing idea here on either side. Auto leveling controls there. What do you think this red light's about, Brendan?
Bottom baggage door is not closed.
That's it.
That's cool.
Boom.
And it goes off.
Right, because what can happen is if you retract these legs, this door is down.
Crunch it.
Right. I just saw a guy do a video on that. What's that? That RV Tech or something like that. Big on TikTok. I like his stuff, actually. And then we do have this drawer here we can flip out, roll all that stuff out. We have another one of those here. We have the electric cord reel. And then I'm going to flip this up just so I don't have to look at that red light, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. And then here's your docking station over here to your right. City water connection, freshwater fill, black water flush kit, outside shower. We still got the electric gate valves, easy access to the fuses, and we do have a manual override on those gate valves as well. And then that hose bib built in here too. And then these are the cupboard doors. We can flip those up. We can flip the front ones up, and you have this massive pass-through storage in through there.
Fitting kayaks.
Fitting kayaks, yeah, absolutely. On-demand water heater, furnace vent, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, of course, sewer hose carrier, sewer drain down and through there. We do have the standard air compressor built in here down the left. Our fuel station is over through here. One of these will be for the gas, the generator. One of these will be for the fuel nozzle. As we wrap around here, we have the patio down. I love the white 3-season doors. There's an awning comes off the back. Outside speakers in through here too. Getting low here, Brendan, around the side.
Dropping low.
That's it. We have our extended grab handle, 4-step entrance up and in. These are the fold-over steps so they don't take up space in your garage. Triple axle, of course, 17.5-inch tires. Door side windows here in our main slide. We have 3 awnings here on the door side, plus the one off the back. And then secure steps up and in. Check out this outside fridge here, Brendan. A little bit loud here. These guys are partying. We're working, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Bunch of yokels around here. There's your 12-volt fridge there. The other side, the pass-through. I love this idea, Brendan. That's just a fantastic feature. Now, this is the 4155 with the front bunks on it. You can actually do the same model with a front office, and we'll show the front office here at the end of the video. Let's have a look inside. Right on, folks, we're inside that 4155. We're gonna get to the front area and the front bunks here in a second, but I'm gonna make you wait. Brendan is up here 2 steps into the bedroom bathroom area, looking into our living space. How about this couch aspect, Brendan? You go sit down over there. I'm sitting here, we're able to talk to each other. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh yeah.
Brendan's just stretched straight out. There you go,
Chill.
brother. Those are some dirty shoes to put on that nice new Brinkley. That's okay.
Clean her off. It's not dirty.
No, you're good, brother. 3-seater in through here. Do we have the fold-over piece? No. We are going to have recliners, though. So all 3 of these are going to recline. These 2 pieces here are going to recline as well. These 2 are going to recline. We got windows on both sides of the model. Cupboard space here across the top of this side. Right here on both sides of that centerpiece. Recessed lighting everywhere. TV directly across from this portion of the theater seat. They even got the Brinkley emblem there built into the top of that fireplace. That's beautiful. And then we do have storage here on either side. We're going to have the same thing here across the top. And then sliding into the garage itself, Brendan, we've got the Happy Jack bunks. This is a 11-foot garage, Jason told us, right?
Yep.
11-foot garage here. I love these 3-season doors. Happy Jack bunk set. Windows on either side. You got blinds in both windows there. Lovely stuff. Our secondary washroom is in through here. It's just a 2-piece. Porcelain toilet, fold-down sink. Nice mirror and cabinet in through here. We even got a window in there, a vent out the side. And then we have access to the loft right from this section. TV in through here too. Rockford Fosgate sound system. We have our GE appliances all the way around. So the fridge here, it's a 12-volt fridge running off the batteries. Battery being charged off the solar panel on the roof or solar panels. Pull-out pantry there. Adjustable shelves. Drawers are going to pull out the right-hand side. Cupboard space here and here. And then the kitchen is no slouch either, Brendan. We got these pop-down pieces here with our knife block, utensil drawers, solid surface everywhere, of course. Cupboards here and here. 4 drawers here down the center. Cupboards there. Pop-down piece here for the squeegees. Pull-out kind of drawer there. Another drawer here. More storage down below. That's a good space there for the baking sheets, eh, Brendan?
Clever.
That's it, brother. Cupboards here and here. Brandon's got his hat on backwards. He's taking this seriously now, eh?
Yeah, I'm a real cameraman now.
Right. Lovely stuff. Undermount sink. Upper storage in through here. Oh, those are adjustable. Gotta love that. More of the same there, adjustable shelves. And then in the actual island, because we don't have the sink there, we have all this prep space, cutting board, utensil drawer, garbage can / recycling, drawer with the paper towel holder. Beautiful kitchen.
And they're giving you this little drip, this drip thing. So if like a juice is running down, there's this guy in here that'll catch it and it'll run down, easy cleanup. They have kids, man.
They have kids, brother. We got ourselves a porcelain style toilet here. Dump truck fits, gotta love it. Drawers down the right hand side. Cupboards here. Even this shelf is adjustable. Solid surface even in the washroom. Undermount sink, recessed medicine cabinet. Garbage can even in the washroom. Beautiful.
Look at that.
Beautiful. And then we do have our molded fiberglass shower here. I love the texture. Body sprayer, hand wand, rain nozzle, shower head above us. Feeling good here, Brendan. And we got that fantastic fan in the bathroom too. King size bed out in the slide. We have a set of stools in here for like the island space, light bar, shelf, and we have 7 drawers here, Brendan, just like Snow White, eh? TV across from the main bed. And I made you guys wait long enough. We got this wicked space here for the bunks. So a single over single bunk with a built-in ladder with these wicked cool cubby holes on either side. And then this armoire here. That's right, I speak French. And then 3 drawers here down below. We're going to cut here for a second and hop back over to the front office version. So that was the 4155 we were just in. Now we're in the 4150. Floor plan's the same. Everything we saw before is the same, but we're sliding in here not into a bunk room, but into an office space. And I hope you can get this in the camera, Brendan, because the space in here is excellent. I've been in the front offices before where it feels like you have like this much space, no storage at all. Awesome space in through here. We have the desk that's going to lift up out of the way for a standing desk. We got cupboard space here and here. We have shelves, cupboards underneath, drawers underneath with a little sliding drawer there. That's beautiful. Drawer there, drawer here.
Oh,
we're taking it home, Brendan, across the border to Canada. That is the video, folks. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Have yourself a good day.